Hello and welcome to the World Tech Tube. We are planning to start the Angular 9 training session in which we will go through each and every details from creating the application to demonstrating the structural directive, routing, navigation and all. And at the end we will create the Angular project that will be online shopping system. So let us start seeing the agenda that will getting started with Angular 9, the architecture, overview of the components, interpolation, reference variable, binding the properties, styles, classes, binding the events, and later on we will proceed with structural directives, pipes, services, what is dependency injection, HTTP and observables, routing and navigation, using of wildcard in routing, and then we will proceed with route parameters, significance of param map observables, what is optional route, what is relative navigation, child routes, what are forms, template driven forms, data binding in template driven forms, and later on we will proceed with some other topics that are binding data to the model, states and validations, visual interaction with validation in form, what are the directives that we are created in Angular, what are reactive forms, starting with form builder in order to create the form and nesting of forms. Then we will proceed with the Angular project, that is online shopping system. There we will have the functionality of admin login, user login. Admin can add products to the system and user can search the product. User can add product to the cart. User can view his or the cart, and then they can proceed with the checkout page where the payment can be done. So the whole application will be created once we will completed all the topics that we have defined in our agenda. So I will create the daily video that will be of 5 to 20 minutes, and later on we will proceed with each and every details. So in the whole scenario I will cover each and everything. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Thank you.